Okay, y'all, so I'm making my baked spaghetti. Really simple, again, really quick. Y'all know I like doing these meals. And I forgot to put the grape tomatoes in there, but anywho, we're gonna get with it. So that's the ground turkey with the onions, my regular seasons that I always put in there. We're just gonna let that cook with some butter, as well as butter in the noodle water, and we're gonna get our oven cranked up to 450 for the spaghetti. Now we're taking our favorite pasta sauce. You guys feel free to use what you like. And what I did was take a little bit of that season from the water, from the meat, and put it in there to get all that good seasoning out of the jars. So now we're just basically making our regular spaghetti. We're just going to put it all together, the pasta, the meat, the noodles. Y'all hear Tutu in the background. That's her talking. She ate it. She loved it. So that's the leftover broth from the ground turkey. We did not drain that. We're going to use that for our topping. I'm adding some sour cream inside of there as well as some milk. And we're going to add Parmesan, mozzarella, and sharp cheddar cheese in there. And basically, we're just going to bake this in the oven and pour that on top. We're going to add some chives in there as well. That is what's going to really kick this flavor up, you guys. And this is really quick and simple without all the extra steps. Sometimes I feel like I want to bake spaghetti and not lasagna. If that makes sense, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to kind of do my own recipe and figure it out in a way where it didn't feel like I was making spaghetti lasagna, but more so a baked spaghetti. So here you go. And I'm just going to pour all that good juiciness right on top, kind of flake that in. And yeah, this was bomb.com. So y'all go follow me if y'all not following me yet. And More Than a Plate of Food, as well as April B on TikTok or April Ken 12 on TikTok. This was so delicious. Hear me out when I say the flavors just bind together so good. So you guys go follow me. Check out more of my recipes, full live videos with cooking shows and all of that. Stay tuned for more.